What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video, and we will show you how to import any file into CapCut PC. So what you can do is open your CapCut and click on new project, and after that you will arrive at this screen. So what we want to do is import any file to CapCut. Click on import, and after that you can simply import any video into your CapCut library. So here's the imported video file, and you can do this with any file, but they need to be supported by CapCut. So you can see MPG, F4V, MOV, MP4, MP3, and a lot more files are supported by CapCut. So make sure this is on. If it's not supported, you can't import them into CapCut PC. So hopefully this video was very helpful, and we would like to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and cheers. Bye bye.